How to cancel order in Grabfood. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to cancel an order in Grabfood, just in case you have changed your mind or need to make some adjustment. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Grabfood app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in to your account before proceeding. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. And this will take you to the account settings. From here, simply scroll down and tap on Help Center under the General section. And this is where you can get assistance with all your GrabFood issue. Now, in the Help Center, use the search bar and type in Cancel Order. And this will show you all the options related to the order cancellation. Choose the option that may say how to cancel or edit an order. And you will see two options here. One for order you made through the app and one for the orders made via mobile browser. Select the one that applies to your situation. And once selected, enter your order details and this will include information like your order number and other required info. Now simply tap the cancel button to submit your request and GrabFood Help Center will notify you once your order has been successfully cancelled. And that's it. You have now successfully cancelled your GrabFood order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.